How to add ventilation equipment and air terminals using the Revit families. Now it is possible to convert equipment and air terminals from Revit families to AXON-vent, preserving all parameters and accurate 3D geometry. This is an additional feature of the software implemented in the BIM module. In this video, we will use the pre-converted Revit families to install equipment for the supply and exhaust system, the supply direct flow system, and install a duct extractor fan and various air terminals. First, we install the supply and exhaust air handling unit in the ventilation chamber. To do this, click the Custom Object button. Select on the command line the option, Create and Insert New Custom Object. Select 3D Image from Catalog option. Click the Import from Catalog button. AXON-vent BIM Catalog Editor appears. Click Open. Open the Mechanical Equipment folder. Select the Air Handling Unit file. This file has been previously converted from a Revit family to AXON-vent format. Select the Supply and Exhaust Air Handling Unit Polaris 3003LR. Opens a window with the description and parameters of the equipment. After conversion, all parameters set by the manufacturer in the Revit family are available in AXON-vent. These parameters can be easily edited. To do this, just click the Edit button. Next, let's insert the equipment into the drawing. Click the Select Product button. Enter the text of the leader, SE2. Specify 0 as a bottom elevation. Place the equipment in the drawing. The equipment is created in LOD 300 with precise geometry and dimensions. This is a 3D body, exactly the same as in Revit. Even blinds, legs and flanges are featured in this family. Next we connect the air handling unit. Click the Ducts button. Click on the air intake connection point of the equipment. Draw the duct. When starting a duct from the connection point, you don't need to specify the size and elevation of the duct. AXON-vent takes them automatically from the equipment parameters specified by the manufacturer. It's very convenient. Next, click on other duct connection points to create remaining ducts. Create leaders. Next we connect the ducts. The result is clearly visible in 3D. Next, we are summarizing the airflow by systems. First for the air supply system. Then for the exhaust system. Flow rates are automatically displayed on the leaders. Next, in the ventilation chamber, we install the supply unit. Click the Custom Object button. Select on the command line the option, Create and Insert New Custom Object. Select the 3D Image from Catalog option. Click the Import from Catalog button. AXON-vent BIM Catalog Editor appears. Select the Supply Air Handling Unit Polaris 3003R. Click the Select Product button. Enter the text of the leader S1. Specify 0 as a bottom elevation. Place the equipment in the drawing. Next, we connect the supply unit. Connect the ducts. Summarize the airflow through the system. Flow rates are automatically displayed on the leaders. Next, install the circular duct fan. Click on the Custom Object button. Select on the command line the option, Create and Insert New Custom Object. Select the 3D Image from Catalog option. Click the Import from Catalog button. Click Open. Open the Duct Accessories folder. Select File with Duct Fans. Select K125XL 50 Hz. Click the Select Product button. Enter the text of the leader, E2. Place the fan in an empty place in the drawing. Click on the Custom Object button. Select on the command line the option, Select and Insert Custom Object. Place the fan on the duct. Similarly, create the E4 system fan. Create the leaders. For the E4 system fan, change the name in the Properties window. Now we will create air terminals. To use air terminals from Revit families, you need to add them to the list of air terminals used in the drawing. Now we will create round diffuser, EFF 125. Click the Air Terminals Database button. Click the Add button. Select the round diffuser type. Click the Import from Catalog button. AXON-vent BIM Catalog Editor appears. Click Open. Open the Air Terminals folder. Select the file with EFF diffusers. Select EFF 125. A window opens with diffuser data. All parameters set by the manufacturer in the Revit family automatically get to the AXON-vent BIM Catalog Editor: description of the model, its image, dimensions, accessories used, pressure loss, and throw length diagrams. If there is not enough data specified in the Revit family, you can easily add missing data. To do this, just click the Edit button. Click the Select Product button. Click the Apply to Row button. Click the Apply to Drawing button. Similarly, other models of grills and diffusers were added to the list of air terminals used in the drawing. Now we replace Type 1 round diffusers to EFF 125. Select the round diffusers. Click the Properties button. Select the model of the diffuser EFF 125 from the list. Leaders are automatically updated on the plan. Diffuser images are automatically changed on the 3D. Let's replace Type 4 grills to Plenum Box Nova A with Odin. Replace Type 3 grills to Nova A. And replace Type 2 diffusers to ADQ. We can also replace the remaining Type 2 diffusers to ADQ. To do this, click the Air Terminals Database button. Select Type 2 diffusers. Click the Select on Drawing button. Click the Properties button. Select ADQ 300 from the list. Leaders are automatically updated on the plan. Diffuser images are automatically changed on the 3D. If you don't have a Revit family, in AXON-vent you can also use 3D AutoCAD objects in DWG or DXF format to create equipment. Once again, it's not necessary to use these features, but it's invaluable if you need to use accurate 3D models of equipment.